Ever wondered the sort of resources, inner strengths that we have within us? All the strength that we need to lead us through life is within us. Hello, I'm Raj Narayan. Welcome to the Daily Dose of Exordia. We have all been using smartphones for quite some time, at least 10 years probably. They've been our companions for more than a decade and a half, and yet, can we justifiably claim that we know the different devices that we may have owned in the past inside out? Now, that seems to be a pretty weird question to ask on a show like this. The reason I'm doing so is there's only that much that we need to get through our days. So we have apps on the phone, many of which would just lie buried somewhere. We won't even know. Isn't that how we deal with our own internal resources? There are any number of such resources within us, quietly biding their time, waiting silently to emerge when required. Barring a few internal resources that we use all the time, all of these are existing deep within us, waiting to be called upon when we need them. Maybe to overcome a challenge, to tide us through a tough phase. Internal resources such as humor, creativity, energy, enthusiasm, patience, self esteem, empathy, equanimity, trust, freedom, and many more have been part of our existence right from birth. As children, we were aware of it. It would just naturally come up. As we become adults, their existence somehow goes deeper and deeper into us. And we start seeking the virtues outside of us. Just like we keep adding more and more apps to our phone in the hope that the additional ones would be more used than the existing ones. Weird, right? However, the irony is that each time we look outward for a new resource, we push our existing ones a step down in our level of awareness. And then we blame it on factors outside if we get impatient or miss the humor or creativity that might generate better outcomes to life's challenges than a dogmatic response would have. Just go back to your childhood and recall events where we used our internal resources in abundance and to telling effect. For example, how did we convince our mother to feed us an extra chocolate or get dad to pay up for that excursion which you presented as a study tour maybe? And yet now these same resources seem distant. We look outside of us to rekindle these resources or seek outside help to resolve these challenges that we are actually adept at. And what causes this amnesia? Ever wondered about that? Quite simply, our nature of looking outside of us for solutions. That's it. We keep collecting apps from the Play Store or the App Store and seldom use it after a few first attempts. Our resources too are lying unused because our attention gets diverted to the new magic solution that smart advertisers promote regularly. Each one of us, remember, is born with the power of the unconscious, the thread which ties all of us to the universal source of power. Call that power what you may, God, being, anything. Looking for more power outside is what reduces the power within. Or should I say, reduces the attention to the power within. Have a blessed day and a healthy life and a joyful living. Thank you.